बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। This is DIY craft videos signing in, and I am going to share with you a most stunning and very unique and very pretty sewing craft ideas. These are most amazing and pretty collection of sewing craft ideas. I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very amazing and very unique sewing craft ideas. I am glad to see you all. You guys make these sewing craft ideas at home very easily. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these sewing craft ideas. These are very stunning. These are very unique. And very classy ideas for you guys. If you want different other sewing craft ideas, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very pretty, these are very unique and very stunning ideas for you guys. Always keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful and very amazing sewing craft ideas for you guys. Hope so guys you are doing well, and if you want different craft videos then you must leave the comment in the comment section. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.